Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal, and welcome everyone to AI Masterclass. My name is Amir Ali, and I hope you already know since you are my certified PMPs. Please turn your videos on so I can see your beautiful faces. You know that I love to see you guys. And it will be, I'll highly appreciate if every single one of you can turn the video on. Today's masterclass on AI will cover multiple things. But the most important thing that I want to cover today is set the baseline for next master classes. So this will not be the just one time thing. No, this will be as much as I learn, I will keep giving you back because I want my certified PMPs to become the best project managers in the world. It has always been my goal, and AI has just given me the perfect way to work with you guys. So we will do multiple things, but first thing first, I have muted everyone because it's weekend. I don't want any noise to disturb anyone else. Okay. So if you are muted, if you want to say something, just raise your hand and I will allow you to unmute yourself. We will have multiple ways of question answers along the way. Quick thing for everybody. Please click the link if you have not downloaded this booklet. Take a minute or two as people are joining. Please download this booklet. Download this playbook. Sorry. This will be a workbook. Like, what will be the purpose of this? So you will get this kind of a playbook. Download it, okay, and then write it. Okay, download it, your name, date, because let me put it this way. Just last night, I spent 3 hours. Like, even I'm not sure my team, the Sadia was sending you email, kudos to her. So I'm not sure she sent the previous version. Then last at 10 p.m. my time, I said, no, no, no. I want to give more to my students, right? Even I added one more part in that. Uh, which part I actually added into it. Mhm. I actually added 10 prompt. Yeah, this one. So this part I added last night. That immediately, even if you leave the class right now, you have something to go and work. That is my goal here. Okay. So everyone good? All good? Put like use the comment box. Everybody put the comment box, and I want to know that. Okay, good, good, perfect, perfect. Thank you, Abid Saab. Okay, so this presentation will cover multiple things as we move forward. It will have many things. And of course, at the end of the class, like always, if you want slides, you will get the slides. I already gave you playbook. Whatever I showed you, anything, I made it for you guys. Okay, so focus on learning. And if you're on mobile, I do request come on laptop because we will be using many things along the direction. Okay, we'll be doing many things along the direction in this master class. Okay, so what will be the goal of this master class is, I'm sure many of you, and I actually know many of you are already doing a lot of things in AI, but this class is from zero to AI powered leadership. Okay, from zero to AI powered leadership. You will be using it, understanding it like a beginner. Then goal will be you will make a professional into it. Okay, that will be the goals that we will be using it in that. So I want to start with this small story. You can use the name as whatever you want. There are two project managers. Project manager number one. Now, guys, if someone can't listen, just reply them if you can hear me. Okay, maybe they have the mic issue into that. There are two project manager. Let's call project manager Amer 1 and project manager Gulzar 2. Project manager Gulzar learned AI, started using AI on daily basis, and he is effectively leading. Project manager Amer, he does not do any of the AI. He's still typing emails, everything. He's still typing everything by himself. At the end of the day, Amir will spend all his time on doing those things which AI can do quickly. And Gulzar will be leading ahead. This is the purpose there. I want you to make like those people who use AI on daily basis. It is hard in the start. It is scary. But like I always say in my PMP class, change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, beautiful in the end. But here we do not have any end goal. Okay, of course, if you want to do AI certification, but this is pure learning class. It does not have an end. It does not have an end, right? I want to share you a small story that happened to me on Thursday. That is my personal story. I went to a mastermind in New York. I live in New Jersey. I went to New York for like travel 2 hours. They were kids, 17 year, 19-year kids. And I was jealous, to be very true. Now, like I told my wife, she said, what did one thing you learn from that? I said, I'm too old. I should be at this time of era with the AI. If I have been 17, 18, I could easily learn many things. Now we cannot do that. Right, Abid Saab? We cannot reduce our age, right? What we can do, we can use this tool today. Okay. I will show you my practical examples, what I do. Every single thing, I'll give it to you guys. Okay. So, as I put it in the story here, that David spent his nights, I put English name because so that everyone can. He's writing status report, chasing updates, and rebuilding the plan every time task clipped. He worked harder than anyone. Gulzar, if you remember in 2020 when you were doing PMP, this is exactly what you were doing. That was your job documentation. So I remember. It's been 6 years, I remember. Then there's an engineer, I called her Maya. She handed these work to AI. AI draft it, give it back to them. Risk surface, they look into that, they check it. Their only job is the only job of a AI equipped project manager is to judge, decide. Maya delivered earlier, and you can move ahead. Okay. I also want to point out this thing. How many of you were very good at maths long time back, like in school or college? But you were good at maths. 100 years back, when the calculator came, what did the calculator did? It made you better. So if anyone has that in their mindset, I want to remove. AI will not remove project manager. AI will not replace project manager. But those people who know how to use AI, and 95 people are in the class, this means they know, they want to learn at least. It's a skill you can learn. They will replace those project managers. Am I clear here? Who will replace whom? Okay. So let's go further into that. So if I put some stats here, this number, they should make you uncomfortable. I did not write it should not make you uncomfortable. This should make you uncomfortable. You see, let's read them. 20% of the project manager report extensive or a good practical experience with AI. Only 20%. 40% of project professionals surveyed, they say they lack AI training. And today, you guys should move from 40 to there. In 22% of project management organization, they have integrated AI. My promise, straightforward to you guys, is that by the end of today class, you will understand AI so good that Chandrakant, you can go to your next project and start working with that. Okay. That is my goal here. So before I move further, I want to do a quick survey here for everyone so that we know actually where do we stand. Okay. So I want to know where do you stand, everybody. So I am putting a link here of a Google form. Immediately, you just put your name and just put where do you stand. This is the form. This will be open for you. Just put your name and where are you? Where are you on your AI journey right now? Okay. This will be the form in front of you guys. Immediately, everyone, you have 2 minutes to respond to the form.